Hey, Calvin, what is your dream home?
My dream home is having a waterfront property, maybe in Florida, California somewhere, surrounded by water, beautiful views, bring the outdoors in, beautiful, something along those lines.
Beach vibes, I like it. Hey, April, what is your dream home?
That's a good question. I would want to be on an island, oceanfront property, like a villa or something, off the water, nice scenery, nice views, just beach access directly. Like, that's what I want.
Lauren, what is your dream home?
My dream home would probably be right here in Chesapeake. Nice, kind of quiet neighborhood, sidewalk lined streets, 4-bed, 3-bath, big backyard for the kids. And yeah, just a cozy vibe.
Sharana, hey, what is your dream home?
A ranch style home, probably like 4 or 5 bedrooms in Florida with a pool.
Fantastic. I love the summer vibes.